Hello everyone! Welcome to Sophisticated DIY. I'm so excited today because I'm unboxing my first haul from Taobao. I heard from Taobao before, but I didn't know too much about them and they weren't even in Canada. So now that they are expanding their website, I'm so happy. So let's open it. Ooh! So let's see, we have this bottle. This is a liquid that is supposed to remove the stain on dolls. You see, I left a black belt for too long, like a 1 week or so, on my doll, and now she's a stain. So we will see if that works. Next, I have two doll stands. These are metal and they are supposed to be a little better than the ones I have. They are very easy to assemble and we will see how strong they are. I feel like there is a small difference, but I'm not sure if the difference is substantial. So let's see. Next, we have some tweed fabric. I've been really wanting to make some kind of Chanel inspired suits and one dress too. Now my mind is flying with a lot of designs. Next, we have a wig. I really wanted a shorter hair wig and I saw this one and I really kind of like it, the way it looks in the picture. Oh, I didn't know that it has two colors. Oh, that's nice. I really didn't notice it so well, but it's really looking good. Oops. Like the hair is kind of very thin and you can see the seams. I'm not sure if this wig will be so good, but I'm gonna try it on my doll to see. In the meantime, I'm gonna put it back in the box. I always like to keep my wigs with the net just to keep it in a nicer condition. So let's see what we have next. Oh, this is just the cap for the spray bottle and these are wig silicone cap. I was a little short of them, so I got two more and I think I will be fine now. They are very sticky, but doesn't matter, it will be okay. Next, I have these khaki pants. They said, take me home, and I said, say less. Not really, I got them for very cheap. It was something like 2 for 1 or something like that, so I have to get them. At first glance, they are looking very good. The sewing is good. The pockets are well sewn. It comes with the chain. I'm gonna try on later, but it's looking good for now. Next, we have notions. Oh, I've got emotions about notions. So these are zippers. They are separated zippers. So I want to make some jackets and coats, sport and as well leather jackets. So I think they will work very well for me. This is where I got the best deals. These are really cheap on Taobao. And let me tell you, this is not a sponsor. These are as well separating zipper. I got them in, you know, like those the basic colors like white, light blue, beige. Probably I have more plans of sewing things than time to make them, but we will see. These one are very mini zipper. I got a whole package with, I don't know, maybe 20 or something, different colors. They are like really small. So I can just make skirts or pants with them, but it's okay. I got as well this metal headband base. I really wanted to buy some of them from some time, but you see, these are the things that on AliExpress are a little bit more expensive. Now I have those little labels that says handmade. They are very tiny. This is a little package I got with different color of like bond toggles. And after I remember that I have a few of them already. They are different the ones I have, but still could work as well, right? Let's see what is my next item. Oh, yes, this is a stain prevention suit. Oh, it's white. You know, in the picture it looks like beige, like the skin color. Let's see if that works. And this is the second pair of pants. This one is in black. and it's pretty much the same pants as the khaki ones. I can't wait to try on my doll. I'm gonna show you later, so stay tuned until the end. The chain of them are silver color, which is very good because now I get to have different ones so I can combine and do different things. Next, I have a Converse. You see, this one wasn't very smart of me because you can get Converse for very cheap, like at the same price on AliExpress, and you don't have to pay that much shipping. So you have to see, when you are buying on Taobao, you are gonna pay more shipping, but the items are cheaper. So you have to know what you are doing. These are cute shoes, kind of Mary Jane style, and the price was very good, and I think they look really good. Next, we have a hat. I was waiting for it, and I just did a hat yesterday, but I was being lazy and I wanted one, so I got it. But you know, I had to wait like for more than 1 month for this haul, so you know, I started to make myself my things. Next, I have what I really wanted to receive, this coat. You know, as a fashion designer and fashion stylist, I want to see different things and compare and mix and match. And I think this coat was something that I really wanted to have. The price was unbeatable. And the coat really is very well made. The only problem is that have the buttons to the opposite side, like if it's for a man and not for a woman. Not that it's a big deal, but you know, it comes as well with this cute brooch. I think it gives like a more character to the coat. And look at that, it's looking good, huh? And this is pretty much all. I'm gonna try to combine the clothes I got today because I wanna make a get ready with me so you can see yourself if you like them or not. For the fabric, we're gonna wait for another day so I can make something custom made for my doll. And of course, with the zipper and the notions that I got. I think I didn't show you very well. I was so excited. And you see, I have 2 tones of pinks and the blue. And I know that I have to remove the sticker to the middle. But now I'm gonna concentrate in the clothes. And I'm gonna prepare all the clothes to do a get ready with me. I'm ironing my clothes and, you know, making look presentable. You have to do that all the time because otherwise your clothes won't look good. You will say, oh, this clothes doesn't look so well. But we as well have to take care of them. So we are gonna start with the doll number 1. I'm gonna use other items that I already have. The t-shirt is part of a suit that I got, and I'm gonna put on the pants, and she's gonna wear the Converse with this. I put on the chain in the same way it was on the picture, you know. So I'm gonna put on the wig to her, and I'm gonna add other accessories. I'm gonna add a chain, and I'm gonna add glasses, and finally the hat. And this is how she looks. I think she looks great. The pants were a little bit too big, but everything else was really good. This is the stain prevention suit on another doll, and I think it's fantastic. I give it 10 out of 10. It accommodates very well to the doll, so I love it. Now we are gonna do another get ready with the rest of the items. For this stylization, we are gonna use the shirt that is from another doll, and then we are gonna combine with the pants. Looking at that pants, the shape is not really great. It doesn't distinguish very well the back from the front, which is not good for the fitting, of course. I'm gonna put on her the shoes, and I have to open a little hole. You know, this doll has a big feet, so I even surprised that these shoes fit. For the pants, they don't look great because she's a little bit taller than the other doll. So I'm gonna try to see what I can do. So I'm gonna kind of create a balloon effects pants. They are trendy right now, so I think it will work. And I'm gonna then put some socks to her, and I'm gonna as well put the chains. Now is the time for the wig. So we will see. Oh, she looks amazing. Oh, this is not a bob. This is a Robert. Did I say something wrong about the wig before? No, I didn't. So the coat as well, it's a little bit big, but this is not something that I will judge just because everybody is different sizes, right? I made a color planter. I 3D printed it. I got the file from Thingiverse. I just make it a little smaller for the doll. I think I'm gonna make a belt to complete the look. Believe it or not, I used to be cobbler before, and this is why I have so many buckles. This is a buckle for a shoes, but I think I can perfectly make a belt for the dolls with it. And I'm going to make the millennial talking, just the front part. I'm gonna move to the other side the brooch, and look at that. Isn't she looking good? Look at that hair. Oh wow, everything is looking good. The purse, the coat, of course. People are always taking pictures of my dolls. And this is how the pants look on her. I know they are not perfect. I will rate them 7 out of 10. But you know me, I do alterations for a living, so you know that in another video, I'm gonna alter those pants to make them fit perfectly. Overall, I'm very satisfied. And look at that, they are together. I think they look really good. If you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!